So what we're going to do today is Andy's been kind enough to give me his wheels in the meantime, a loaner. So they're going to go on my car, which is going to hopefully transform the look of my car in the meantime. But Andy's bought himself a set of 35's, which when we put on here, I reckon it's going to look sensational. Bit of before shots as standard. There's the 35's. Wrangler Goodyear Mud Terrains. 4 of them. And then Andy's got the BFG Mud Terrains. They're 305 70 16s. And he's gone to 315 70 17s. So a significant difference from both cars. That's a big tire, man.
It is a. Do you reckon you'll have to chop anything?
Maybe it is.
The Bullbar.
Yeah, potentially.
Can we move the casters back?
Might be easier. So there we go.
So these are what? 305 70 16s. So what's that? I reckon 33. Right.
Yeah.
Those are a little bit bigger, and those are a little bit bigger. So we got 2 on each side. Andy's finishing off the front drivers. She definitely sized at the back. Right, the job is done. So we got the 4 tires from Andy's car on mine, and that has made a massive difference, I think. And then moving over here, we got Andy's on 35's. Have a look at that. That's huge now, mate. That looks awesome. It's a big set of rubber. Anyway, that's all we have for today. We'll have more stuff coming up soon. Please make sure and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.